Okay, so this video is about the Tango 360 and multi-tool, okay? So we have a really aggressive abrasive here, and then we have like 120 grit on this one. It's like says grout and abrasives here. On the Tango 360, I have the hook and loop surfaces with 120 grit, which just about equates to the same as that. And on the other side, I have the rasp, and I'm setting the teeth in the backwards motion. So what we're gonna do is I'm just going to show right now how fast it takes for this to get through that, and then change this and sand it to 120. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. Knock it out, put this one in. Go down that row. It's still not connecting. Come on, baby, connect. Come on, here we go. Okay, good. Okay, that was that. So now I'm going to do this one here. This is Tango 360. I'm going to put it at max. Like I said, I have the teeth like this, and here we go. I'm going to start with this all the way through, okay? And we're going to put this in, and now. Done. Going to flip it over and put it into the sanding, and that's good enough for me. I guess that does it.